Alright, so what we got today is a Viper 5704, and we added this unit to a 2012 Toyota Sienna. Your standard lock, unlock, parking lights, the standard alarm system. What makes it cool is we can remote start the vehicle. And the vehicle's running. We use the first channel on the alarm to open the door. The second channel on the unit is going to unlock the sliding door on the passenger side. So you can have one remote that controls everything on the vehicle. So if you have a 2012 Toyota Sienna and thinking about doing remote start, we can do it.